Hi students, good morning. Hearty welcome to online class. Now I am going to explain Unit 1 Number System, Exercise 2.3, question number 1. Find the product, subdivision 1, 4 divided by 15 into 35. I repeat the question. Find the product, subdivision 1, 4 divided by 15 into 35. Solution. Here write the question. 4 divided by 15 into 35. Okay. 4 divided by 15 into 35. 3 5s are 15. 7 5s are 35. 4 7s are 28 divided by 3. Okay. 28 divided by 3. 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28. Okay. 9 into 1 by 3. Answer is 9 into 1 by 3. Subdivision 2. 1 into 3 by 4 into 6. I repeat the question. 1 into 3 by 4 into 6. Listen, mixed fraction convert into fraction. Okay. Solution. Here write the question. 1 into 3 by 4 into 6. Okay. 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 3, 7 divided by 4 into 6. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Okay. 7 3s are 21 divided by 2. Okay. 10 2s are 20 plus 1. 21 divided by 2. Answer is 10 into 1 by 2. Subdivision 3. 3 into 8 divided by 9 into 0. I repeat the question. 3 into 8 divided by 9 into 0. Solution. Here write the question. 3 into 8 divided by 9 into 0. Okay. Listen. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8 35 divided by 9 into 0. Okay. Listen. Number into 0 equal to 0. Answer is 0. Subdivision 4. 2 into 7 by 8 into 1000. I repeat the question. 2 into 7 by 8 into 1000. Solution. Here write the question. 2 into 7 divided by 8 into 1000. Okay. 8. Listen. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7. 23 divided by 8 into 1000. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. Adding 2 zeros. 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are, listen. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. 0. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. 125. Okay. Listen. 23 into 125 equal to 2875. Okay. Answer is 2875. Subdivision 5. 3 divided by 4 into 2 into 2 divided by 3. I repeat the question. 3 divided by 4 into 2 into 2 divided by 3. Solution. Here write the question. 3 divided by 4 into 2 into 2 divided by 3. Okay. 3 divided by 4 into 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 divided by 3. Mixed fraction convert into fraction. Okay. 3 divided by 4 into 8 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2. Answer is 2. Subdivision 6. 6 divided by 29 into 7 into 1 by 4. I repeat the question. 6 divided by 29 into 7 into 1 by 4. Solution. 6 divided by 29 into mixed fraction convert into fraction. Okay. 7 4s are 28 plus 1. 29 divided by 4. Okay. 129s are 29. 129s are 29. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 3 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Okay. 3 divided by 2. Okay. Listen. 1 into 1 by 2. Answer is 1 into 1 by 2. Subdivision 7. 3 into 6 divided by 7 into 4 into 2 divided by 3. I repeat the question. 3 into 6 divided by 7 into 4 into 2 divided by 3. Solution. Here write the question. 3 into 6 divided by 7 into 4 into 2 divided by 3. Mixed fractions convert into fraction. Okay. 7 3s are 21 plus 6 27 divided by 7 into 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14 divided by 3. 1 7s are 7. 2 7s are 14. 1 3s are 3, 9 3s are 27. Okay, listen, 9 2s are 18. Answer is 18. Subdivision 8, 10 into 7 divided by 8 into 2 into 1 by 24. I repeat the question, 10 into 7 by 8 into 2 into 1 by 24. Solution, here write the question, 10 into 7 divided by 8 into 2 into 1 by 24. 10 8s are 80, okay. 10 8s are 80, 80 plus 7, 87 by 8 into, listen, 24 into 2, 48 plus 1, 49 divided by 24, okay. Listen, 87 by 8 into 49 divided by 24. 87 into 49 equal to 4263 divided by 24 into 8, 192, okay. Listen, 6 3s are 18, 4 3s are 12, 1 3s are 3, remaining 1, 4 3s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3, okay. Listen, 1421 divided by 64, okay. 64 into 22, okay, 64 into 22, 64 into 22, 1408 plus 13 equal to 1421, okay. Answer is 22 into 13 divided by 64. Subdivision 2, question number 2, simplify. Subdivision 1, 5 divided by 6 into 3 divided by 7 into 14 divided by 15 into 16 divided by 18. I repeat the question, 5 divided by 6 into 3 divided by 7 into 14 divided by 15 into 16 divided by 18. Solution, here write the question, 5 by 6 into 3 by 7 into 14 divided by 15 into 16 divided by 18. 5 into 3 into 14 into 16 divided by 6 into 7 into 15 into 18. Listen, 1 7s are 7, 7 2s are 14, okay. 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, okay. Next, 9 2s are 18, 8 2s are 16, okay. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, okay. 2 into 4 equal to 8 divided by 9 3s are 27. Next, subdivision 2, 12 divided by 25 into 15 divided by 28 into 35 divided by 36. I repeat the question, 12 by 25 into 15 divided by 28 into 35 divided by 36. Solution, here write the question, 12 divided by 25 into 15 divided by 28 into 35 divided by 36. Okay, listen. 1 12s are 12, 3 12s are 36, 5 5s are 25, 1 12s are 12, 3 12s are 36, okay. 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35, 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 7 4s are 28. Answer is 1 divided by 4. Subdivision 3, 5 into 3 divided by 5 into 12 divided by 27 into 3 into 9 by 2. Solution, here write the question, 5 into 3 by 5 into 12 divided by 27 into 3 into 9 by 2. Mixed fraction, convert into fraction, 5 5s are 25 plus 3, 28 divided by 5 into 12 into 3 into 9 divided by 5 into 27 into 2. Okay, listen. 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, okay. 1 9s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 14 into 12 equal to 168 divided by 5. Listen, 33 into 3 by 5. Answer is 33 into 3 by 5. Students, homework for this day, question number 3 and question number 4. Solve this problem in your homework note. Thank you, students.